it's another interesting segment on scholarship for international students, and I'm glad to be back again to give you another interesting scholarship opportunity you can apply as an international student in France. This scholarship will start in October 2025, which is the 1st of October 2025, and it will continue till January 2026. So I'm going to give you all the vital information you need to know about the Eiffel Excellence Scholarship in France and what you need to do. If this is the first time of coming across this channel, do ensure you subscribe, like this video, turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this where we discuss scholarship in depth and how to go about the application process. Please don't forget to subscribe and then follow this channel for more scholarship tips and tricks. As you can see on your screen is the France Excellent Eiffel Scholarship Program, which will commence in September and November 2026 for those who apply for the 2026 application. Do ensure you watch up to the end of this video so that you can grab all the important information before you start your application. This is not a regular application where you just go ahead to apply directly. It has to take a formal process in which you have to submit an application through the international office of the desired French higher institution, in which they have to forward your application to the Campus France or the French government and recommend you for the scholarship. It is highly competitive, therefore you need to submit an application with your best academic records and hope for the best. So this is only open to masters and PhD program at French higher institutions or public French higher institutions. And there is age specification for this program. As I said earlier, the application will open 1st of October 2025 and the application closing date is 8th of January 2026. Then the publication of results will be released mid of April 2026. Here we have the area of study. The two main disciplinary fields for the France Excellence Scholarship, which is the Eiffel Scholarship, covers the following area for both masters and PhD. We have biology and health, ecological transition, mathematics and digital, engineering sciences. For humanities and social science, we have history, French language and civilization, law and political science, economics and management. So the levels of study is master, PhD, and engineering programs. For the duration of the scholarship, for those who are applying in their second year, you will spend 12 to 18 months. For those who are entry from the first year, the scholarship will cover 24 months. And for the 36 months, this is applicable to engineering degree program for master's level. While doctoral program, this is from the period of 12 to 36 months. We have 12 months for those who are entering from the second year, 36 months for those who are enrolling or entering for the first year. The benefits attached to this scholarship include a monthly allowance and also other benefits, which are international transportation, national transportation within France. We have the insurance, we have the housing searches, which is accommodation. Now, we need to also understand the fact that there are some important documents you need to have around so that once you are being recommended by a French higher institution, the Campus France or the French government under the scholarship, we ask for some documents in which you need to provide. What are the documents needed for this scholarship? You need your previous academic certificates, you need an official transcript, an updated CV, you need a statement of purpose highlighting your journey while you study in France. And also the most important document that makes a difference when applying to this scholarship is your professional project, highlighting your contribution to the French economy. So this should not be more than 2 paragraphs stating how the scholarship will be beneficial to you and how you will contribute to the French economy while being among the participants of this scholarship. So next in line is step of applying to this scholarship. How do you apply for the France Excellence Eiffel Scholarship Program? We're told that the first step is that contact Campus France in your country of origin or the French Embassy Corporation and Cultural Action Department who can guide you and advise you on your study plans. Learn about the procedure and deadlines for submitting an application. Contact the International Relations Department of a French institution via its website. It's up to you to choose the school or university that best fits your plans for studying in France. So this is very easy and simple. The first thing is that you need to contact the Campus France of your country. So all you need to do is head over to Google and type in Campus France, then include your country, and you should see the website. Then click on contact us and message the appropriate agency and let them know that you're interested in this scholarship. Also, another step you need to follow is that contact once you have chosen the particular university, you need to once you have chosen the particular university you intend to apply for, you go to their official website and then make inquiry about the Eiffel Scholarship Program. And from here, I can see few of these universities. So here we have the Orleans University, we have Paris-Saclay, and other universities. So once you make a choice of the university you intend to apply for, then you apply for the course. Then you apply for any of these courses under science and technology or humanities and social science. If there's available or if there's any openings about scholarship, they will make mention of these opportunities. Then you can make inquiry about the Eiffel Scholarship Program if it is available. So they will include this in your application for admission once it is open, once there's available openings. So they will include this in your application, and then the university will be responsible for sending a formal application to the French government, and then you will be you will now be officially enrolled in the scholarship application. Once you are selected, you will be contacted to submit some documents, and then these documents, let me quickly check. So once you are officially enrolled to the scholarship, you'll be asked to submit these documents: place of residence, email address and telephone number, certificates of academic enrollment, certificate of enrollment in National Health Insurance Scheme, in which there's a link for you to apply temporarily and then before you enroll to the National Health Insurance Scheme. And for the purpose of monitoring academic progress, campus funds will send the recipient documents each year that must be filled and signed by the recipient institution before being returned to campus fund. Documents are the evaluation form at the end of the recipient's first semester and a form reporting the recipient's performance at the end of the academic year. So each year, the campus funds will monitor your progress and your academic uh, performance during the course of study. So it is important to be in your best position and put in all the energy and effort to come out with a good grades while you study under this scholarship opportunity. Ensure we go through these regulations governing the France Excellence Scholarship, which you can access on the official website. So you can access it here. This is the link for the regulation governing the Eiffel Scholarship Program. So it is important to check out these details before you go ahead to apply. So in summary, all you need to do is contact the campus fans of your country of origin and let them know that you are interested to apply for this scholarship. Note that this is not if a formal application. Just make them aware of your interests and they will guide you on what to do. This is just for them to show you or advise you on what to do. The next is to select a particular public higher institution in France. We have a lot of them. We have University of Paris, Saclay. We have a lot of them. We have University of we have unused universities and other public universities. So apply for any of these courses because you are being restricted to any of these courses. So once you apply for any of these courses, ensure that you make a formal inquiry about the Eiffel Scholarship Program so it will be included in your application. The institution you applied for will forward your application to the Campus France or the French government Eiffel Scholarship Program, in which you will be contacted to submit some documents and other vital information. And I make mention of documents you need to have, which include your previous academic certificates, official transcript, updated CV. We have the professional projects. Also, you need a statement of purpose, which should highlight your journey while you study in France. So these documents will be requested alongside other information once you have been accepted and you are part of one of the successful applicants for this scholarship. So every year you'll be sent some evaluation form in order for them to continue and renew your scholarship. So it is important for you to be in your best while you study under the Eiffel Scholarship program. So this is how to go about applying to the Eiffel Scholarship program for international students. If you have any question, you can drop them in the comments under this video, and I will drop the link and I will drop all the relevant link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this. See you in our next video.